Excitement is building up in the tech world as OnePlus prepares to unveil its groundbreaking foldable device, the OnePlus Open. Originally set to dazzle us on August 29, the highly anticipated launch date has seen a slight delay, sending fans into a frenzy of speculation. But don't fret, the new date is kept under wraps for now, adding an extra layer of suspense and anticipation to the mix. And hold on to your seats, because that's not the only thrilling twist in this unfolding story. Our tipster extraordinaire Max Jambor has dropped a bombshell. The OnePlus Open is shaking things up by switching from BOE panels to top-of-the-line Samsung panels. This move promises a visually stunning experience like no other, leaving us in awe of what's in store. While some speculated that the OnePlus Open would take cues from the Oppo Find N2, we're now hearing whispers that this beast will boast its own unique identity. Buckle up for jaw-dropping display sizes, 6.3 for the cover and a hopping 7.8 for the internal display, delivering an expansive canvas for you to immerse yourself in. And let's not forget the powerhouse under the hood. Brace yourselves for the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, propelling the OnePlus Open into a league of its own. Get ready, tech enthusiasts, because OnePlus is about to rewrite the rules of innovation with the incredible OnePlus Open. Stay tuned for the big reveal of the new launch date, and let your imagination run wild with all the extraordinary possibilities this cutting-edge device will bring to the table. The future of foldable smartphones is just around the corner. Peace out.